Hey everybody, it's Phil Evans with BayAreaLifestyle.com, and today we are back with Phi Caulfield, and today we're going to be talking about FHA and VA loans. What are some of the special requirements that people should be prepared for? Because I feel like there's always a catch, right? It's like, yeah, we're only going to make you do 3.5%, but what are some of these catches?
Well, actually, one of the benefits is that with a lot of the first-time buyer programs, there's income limits, meaning that the borrower's income can't be any more than, depending on the program, 80% or 120% of the median county limit in which the property is located.
Okay.
With FHA, there is no income limit. So if you make $1 million, you can get an FHA loan. It's just the minimum down payment. Now, one of the catches is if you're looking at a condo with an FHA loan, the condo has to be on the approved condo list, which is not as extensive, as large as you would think. So you have to have a condo on the approved list, or else you can't buy it with an FHA loan.
So what are some of those reasons do you think that that list doesn't include every condo? Or there are certain costs to developers or something like that with upkeeping that?
Well, there's cost to developers, there's work, the approval expires after a certain amount of time, and for some reason, some homeowners associations just don't get the approval renewed, which makes me wonder, because having an FHA approval makes the property more marketable because more people are able to buy it because of the low down payment requirement.
Yeah, one of the things that's interesting as a real estate agent in the Bay Area is that, of course, money talks. Where if you have a huge offer on a home, let's say, for example, let's say a condo is worth $700,000, and somebody with an FHA loan was going to come in and offer $750,000 or even $800,000 for that, whereas somebody with a conventional loan might offer, say, $730,000 or $740,000. There may be a chance that the conventional loan will get outbid. However, there does seem to be with real estate agents a real kind of misunderstanding about the FHA loan, kind of whether it's going to be backed or not. It's like, well, the guy's only got 3.5% down, so he doesn't have as much skin in the game as the person who with 20% down. So I feel more confident going with the 20% down person instead of the FHA loan. And that's kind of something I've seen with clients of mine as well. They want to use the FHA or VA loan, but they know they're not going to be as competitive. So why do you think that is? Is an FHA loan just as likely to be underwritten at the end of the day when they open escrow, or is there really something that we should be aware of as far as FHA loans not maybe being funded as much as a conventional loan?
Yeah, well, one of the issues could be with the appraisal. If the appraisal comes in low, generally the buyer has to make up the difference. But if they're only coming in with 3.5% down, that usually means that they don't have a whole lot of money to make up the difference. So that's one thing that sellers can be skittish about is, is the property going to appraise? The other thing is that there's sometimes more to an FHA loan than there is with a conventional loan in terms of qualifying.
But the max is going to be,
the max
for our area,
for
is it 636, 150?
Basically for the Bay Area, 636, 150.
Okay. Now the good news is if you are buying in the Bay Area, there are still a ton of options at 636 and below. Actually, you can subscribe to my newsletter monthly, and I send out a video that talks about each county's least expensive homes, and that's single family homes, not condos, which are generally less expensive than single family. But I let you know what is the least expensive homes for each county in the Bay Area. So subscribe to that if you'd like to know whether 636, and that's 636,000, just so you know, works for what you're looking for in the Bay Area. Phil, we have learned so much today. Thank you again for all your knowledge. Where can they reach you at, Phil?
My phone number is 650-222-0386, and my email, pcaulfield That's PCAULFIELD at guaranteemortgage.com.
Great. And I'm Phil Evans with BayAreaLifestyle.com of Keller Williams, and my information is below. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions whatsoever. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.